Ayan guys. Tapos na guys. But then, so this is called sandwich egg. We call that toasted.
Okay, man, I'm
Yeah.
video too.
Okay. No.
Mara's gonna start doing cooking videos again. So she says, come on out and eat. Oh,
Yeah.
I sneezed. Oh my God. I hate to sneeze.
So with apple.
Milk and what is that? An egg sandwich?
Toasted egg sandwich.
A toasted egg sandwich?
Ah.
And look at this. In days of Corona, oh, I can't say that word. I ban my video. Well, let me get behind it. Let me get there. Go there. The sun's going right. There's the sun, the bright color back there.
No.
I can't get you. Okay?
Pizza.
Well protected. They all mask up when they go into town. And he masks up when he comes over here.
This breakfast is ready. Have a milk.
Okay, honey.
Exactly. Okay. Try to what call that slice your.
Slice my sandwich up?
Yeah. Give that to Christine. Here. I'll hold for you.
Okay.
I'm sneezing.
Mara found some really good milk. It's hard to get good milk over here. She got some that's from Australia. My God, is it good? It's just like something you get in the United States. No, it's not a. If it's a canned milk or a powdered milk converted, it's really, really good. But I don't think it is. Oh, okay. What do you got here?
Slice bit. Ano, that what call that? In the middle. No.
Okay.
There, slice in the middle.
Slice in the middle.
Yeah.
I didn't get my mango. I got a mango from the tree. I think I'm going to get my mango.
Okay.
Okay. Good, good. Oh, you got it's inside of like a little dish in there or something, huh?
Yep.
You made it. Oh, 3 layers. You took one layer and made a hole in it or something.
Yeah, because ano, what call that?
I didn't watch her
spin.
fix this. I didn't have that was on my computer. I live on my computer. Delicious, huh? Delicious. Thumbs up. I'm looking at it to see how much pepper you put on it because I know I put a lot of pepper and Mara doesn't believe it. I just looking because I almost always put more pepper on it. I see a little black layer in there, so I think she did good. It's fine. It tastes wonderful. Huh?
Okay na.
Thumbs up. I'm happy.
Life in the Philippines.
And he's going to grab the mount on the camera.
No.
I see him going over there and he's going like this towards the legs of the camera.
He's going to Nanay because he's shy on you.
Yeah, he's very shy of me. He's very shy. Hey, I'm finished. Hey, have a good day. Life is good.